Kublai pi barong ipneng subhai pi shikatuk kubo mentega janmit shaban paj kubo kibubnya ini pitchwai kimat bekongsan. Kisngi pelong dorbar larai daga Business Advisory Committee ong Menteri Rangba. Play Menteri Rangba Kajala ke North East Fruit Wine Incubation Center IHM Shillong. Lasdang yaka Ayushman Bhava Meghalaya. Bat anlet jengok ke Menteri Rangba ke Assam bat Meghalaya yaki jaka kaput. Ikubok ibu banyak. Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ki sangmah ni ke sengi uloong baya ki sengi ban pelong ke Doba Senrai larai da ke Business Advisory Committee aga baki MLA ke liang persyak ru ki long ke dekhon. Halo ke jingdawa jong ke Voice of the People Party ban penjelan ya ki sengi jong ke Dobar uloong bagi sengi na ke benta ke Doba Senrai ke long kumju kumbolong aga beladam. Ke Doba Senrai jong ke yang Doba Tauan ke Jela kan sedang nadut lasai ke sengi.
The timing of the session, as has been a practice in Meghalaya, has been decided more or less by the BAC, and the Business Advisory Committee has got members from the opposition, and it was jointly decided by the opposition. So individual members could have concerns, but there are rules, procedures that are followed, and the procedure was followed. BAC decided on the case, and as per the BAC decision, this is going forward.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ki sangmah ni ke sengiu la play ke North East Fruit Wine Incubation Center Institute of Hotel Management mau diang New Shillong Township haringkat ke jingadon lang ke Menteri Ketenat Kerep Keriang Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo mat Menteri Ketenat Excise ba Kermen Shela. Abakren ha ke jingalang Menteri Rangba uloong ba ke jing play ya kate ke Jaka ke ba Yasno bat ki kam jengok kai perthai kumju Kerep Keriang kan yarap shikat dai hagaban kentiu ya ka jingseng kam lajong agajuk kopor kan yarap ru bantau ya ki kam ki jam.
Yeah, you can taste. We'll take shots.
The other one, most important inventions. For Meghalaya. Another important beach.
Explore and in a phase-wise manner go, because the accessibility of such products has to be there, especially in tourist locations, and because that's the idea. We would want tourists to take back these kind of wines to their home and showcase it and talk about the wine industry in Meghalaya also. And that's the whole purpose of doing this. And yes, we will, in a phase-wise manner, by taking all stakeholders into confidence, we will slowly move forward and see how we can make it more accessible.
Komisi Benta ban penbaha bat kentiu ke kot ke khia ke Presiden Keri ke Draupadi Murmu hinden ke si ke lapli patba ya ke Ayushman Bhava ulat ke Meghalaya Upagu Chauhan bat Menteri Ketenat ke kot ke khia Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo kleshim benta ha ke tei ke jingelang play ya ke Ayushman Bhava lemba ki kor ke juk start bementa na benta ke jing play patba ha pok ke Jela Menteri Rangba Konrad ki sangma uli play patba ya ke Ayushman Bhava State Convention Center. Haba ai jingkran ha ke jingelang Menteri Rangba uloong ba ha ke nika jingelap ke ba artayo on pelong ya ki program ki kerdan beper-per ha ki snong ki tau lembat ki wei ki jaka kani ke jingelap ka ban kut ha ke sengi rakhe ya ka Gandhi Jayanti ka thmu ban pentikna ban penpoi ya ki skim jong ka kot ke khia shaman la ki nong yo mentoi wat syakitu ha ki jaka ba kendong.
It has always been our objective and our endeavor to ensure that important sectors, because no matter what roads we have, no matter what buildings and large offices or infrastructures we have, if we are not able to provide the basic health facilities at the grassroots level, then we are not being able to achieve a complete development and a proper governance at the grassroots level.
Menteri Rangba ke Assam bat Meghalaya Himanta Biswa Sarma bat Konrad ki Sangma kila shem ya kilat kilenti bantai ya kajing shania na bakin riutli ki jaka badon na pedeng kajing ya kaja ki kham jerwet jerwat kat kum ka jing ong Menteri Rangba ke Assam tang hadien bala shem ya ki tai ki senjam baro arngut ki Menteri Rangba kin sala ban let jingo ya ki jaka khapot kajing elang hapdeng ki arngut ki Menteri Rangba akalong ban penbej ya kamat halor uput usam hakin riutli ki jaka ya kaja bakentop ya kalangpi na lor ki wei ki Menteri Rangba akim kwa ban pensyai ya karai habayadai bat kajing keli halor kajing pen pai biang ya ki jaka bahap apok ke blok 1 bat blok 2 Menteri Rangba ke Assam ulo ong ba ke survey post na benta ke khapot hahim kalong kabala kre bat ulakmi lenti ba ka jinge kaja ki wei ki jaka on sala ban penbej no kam koloi.
We had a very positive discussion on the matter, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to slowly and steadily move towards a resolution and also ensure that there is peace in that area and the different misunderstandings that are coming once in a while. We hopeful that we'll be able to resolve those issues.
This area is a little bit complicated. So this regional committee, they are both headed by the matured people on both the side. They are working very hard. They are visiting those areas frequently, and we believe that everything will be settled in a most peaceful and amicable manner.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ki Sangmau lo ong ba ompat la ban penbej ya gitarik penyekran habai dei bat ke kela ba ar jong ke jengekran halor uput usam bat Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma abakran shikila pathai khubor hne ke sngi usangmau lo ong ba ke jengekran hinden ke sngi bat Menteri Rangba ke Assam kamda dei than e ka bala da penbej aga baro arngot kele shem ya kilat ka kabu bat khmi ya ki katu kat ne ki benta babnya ulo ong ba kin sala ban penbej ya ki tarik ha ki ne ki khendiat sngi ki banwan.
Discussion was a very unofficial discussion where I took the opportunity, both of us took the opportunity when that particular conversation was taking place to sit together and maybe just go through certain details. So I guess in the next couple of days we should be able to finalize on our firm program and we will inform.
Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma hnen gesngi ula pli ya Karbi Anglong House badang syudap shna thamai he shlong ha ka jinga don lang Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ki Sangma Chief Executive Member la neusi ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ne ke AAC Tuliram Ronghang ule don lang ha ka ni gesngi kalong ke badon kam ban kedau bahapo ke jinga lam UCM Tuliram Ronghang la teye buntli ki Karbi House ki wei ki Jela bakentup ha Kolkata Delhi, Meghalaya bat Bengaluru. Komisi benta ban pentikna haka ban bret yaki jabo jaban haka rukom badai haka yo tenrai ka behe tam hapo ke Jela ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council nen gesngi kala pelaj yaka kali kit nyut naga benta ban lum ban lang yaki jabo jaban na yodo. Chief Executive Member ke KHDC uba penyak sing SIM ula IT ya ketiga kali syaka office USIM ke hima meliem. Habakran ke jengelang USIM ula ong ba larai ban IT ya ketiga kali syaka office USIM ke hima meliem na badai maka ka bahap ban khmi ya ke khut ke suba jong ke yodo. Kuman syukudau ya ketiga kali kit nyut la senyang lengba ke jengerak pisa bala penbiang da ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund dan CMSDF.
Ngi kum ki brio ngi ju ong ba ka koi ka khya kalong ka spa ba yingi ki khun brio ni ko sla ka thai ban yo I ka koi ka khya ni don kam ban yo I ka khut ka suba kini ka trot hadin mengilayo ban inspection ngala fu ni chief minister ngala don kam ban ai kepam ni ka scheme nam ta ban thiet ini ka trot nam ta ban weng ni jing e kham tam ko le ka khut ka suba hang ni po yo do na kadang chief minister da kemensian ko bakuloi berkemen la kunpau hatu besngi bangikran bana kadang ji ai ko wikra
mentang nyepet ya kajing long juman ke simling shlong kajing shit kalong apusau point iwe degree celsius bat kajing kriat kalong khat nyau point pra degree celsius kajing skam gau hau kalong drip nuk shispa men step bat nyop huai nuk shispa jan met kala bandon kajing hap slap ka ba malumala ki katu kat ne ki jaka Syawun poi syuk bekut jang ketuk kubor ni pek biang sa Asian ni kini kimat berkongsan. Di Kisngi pelong dorbar la rai dekat Business Advisory Committee ong Menteri Rangba. Beli Menteri Rangba ke jelai ke North East Fruit Wine Incubation Center ha IHM Shillong. Lasdang yaka Ayushman Bhava ha Meghalaya. Bat anlet jengok ki Menteri Rangba Assam bat Meghalaya ia ki jaka kapur. Teparlok dari tujuh kubur yang lapor isi bekut jom ketuk kubur jengim tagajan miet haduk bang Indonesia Malaysia Khasi haga juga kapur kubur siponi pi barok.